Namaskar. Hello friends. This is your friend Deepak from JK Smart Learners. So in the last chapter, we have discussed about pronouns. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words used in place of noun for one noun or more nouns. And we also have discussed about the four types, right? So what were the types? It was personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, what were the others? Possessive pronoun, and you have to write in the comment box, right? So today we will discuss the next four types of pronouns. हमने कल सर्वनाम के बारे में डिस्कस किया, उसकी कुछ टाइप्स के बारे में यानी कि फोर टाइप्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया, जिसमें पर्सनल प्रोनाउन था. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन आगे थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो रही थी, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन, राइट. इसी तरह हमने अलग प्रोनाउंस के बारे में डिस्क्राइब किया था. अब हम करेंगे नेक्स्ट फोर टाइप्स. सो दीज टाइप्स विल बी द रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन, जिसको हम निजवाचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं. देयरआफ्टर एम्फेसाइजिंग प्रोनाउन, जिसको हम दृढ़तावाचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं. देयरआफ्टर रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन, संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम. एंड इनडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन, अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ reflexive pronoun. Before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Let's start. Reflexive pronoun, निजवाचक सर्वनाम. Let us read the definition first so that you can understand it well. Pronouns that shows the subject and the object are the same person. Pronouns which shows that the subject and the object are the same person, right? So let us start understanding with an example. I did this work myself. I did this work myself. In this sentence you can see that the subject is I and object is also I, which is written as myself, right? So I and myself are both the same person, so it is a reflexive pronoun. So I did this work myself. मैंने यह काम स्वयं किया, right? So there are some personal pronouns. So I will be myself, reflexive pronoun. We, ourselves. We is a plural noun, that's why ourselves. He or she, again singular. He himself, she herself. Now the gender is there. You, if it is singular, yourself. If it is plural, yourselves. It, itself. They, themselves. They is for the plural, right? So these are the reflexive pronouns. Now come to the emphasizing pronouns. Emphasizing दृढ़तावाचक, किसी चीज पे जोर देना, right? So pronouns that are used to lay emphasis on some person or thing in a sentence, right? Pronouns that are used to lay emphasis on some person or thing in a sentence are known as emphasis pronoun, emphasizing pronoun. So, what are the emphasizing pronouns? Myself, yourself, herself, himself, themselves, yourselves, ourselves, right? Let us understand with the example. एक उदाहरण के साथ समझते हैं और ज्यादा क्लियर होगा. The students themselves made the charts. Now you can see students, it's a plural, that's why we have used themselves, right? Students themselves made the chart. विद्यार्थियों ने अपने आप चार्ट बनाया, राइट? तो विद्यार्थियों ने अपने आप, विद्यार्थियों के ऊपर जोर दिया जा रहा है, विद्यार्थियों ने अपने आप यह काम किया, राइट, तो जोर दिया हमने, ठीक है। सिमिलरली नाउ इट्स योर टर्न टू मेक सम मोर सेंटेंसेस बाय यूजिंग emphasizing pronouns and put in the comment box, right? Let us move forward with the relative pronouns. Relative, कुछ रिश्ता, कुछ संबंध, इसीलिए इसको बोला गया संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम, right? These are used to relate two clauses which share a common word, right? How? That, who, which, etc. With these words you can use, like the man is standing there. The man is standing there. That is my brother. So here the word that is a relative pronoun which is joining these two clauses, two sentences, two clauses, and making it meaningful and clear, right? Indefinite pronoun. Word definite, indefinite. Definite means निश्चित, indefinite means अनिश्चित. So something that is not particular, that is not निश्चित, right? So अनिश्चित वाचक सर्वनाम. Pronouns that refers to people or thing. Pronouns that refers to people or things without saying exactly who or which they are, right? For example, the indefinite pronouns are nobody, all, somebody, nothing, everything, anything, each, both, few, many, someone, other. Others also same meaning. Let us understand with the examples, right? You will understand. When we are using singular, then we have to use the singular helping verb. Then means there should be agreement, right? How? Each boy has brought his notebook. Each is the indefinite pronoun, right? Each boy. Now we are talking about the single. हरे प्रत्येक लड़के को, ठीक है? तो each boy has, right? Each boy has brought his notebook. Now come with the plural. Both the children. Both the children have done their work. We can say दोनों बच्चों ने या फिर सभी बच्चों ने अपना काम कर लिया, right? Both the children have done their work. Now I think it is clear. Still, if you have any kind of doubt, you can put in the comment box. You can send us your doubts. We will clear your doubts. Even one of my friend asked me what are parts of speech. We will clear these in our new lecture, right? So I hope these are clear to you, right? Hope आपको हमारा लेक्चर पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया है तो please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the updates. Till then, goodbye, namaskar, धन्यवाद.